Are you wondering how Fresh Clothes is responding to the coronavirus pandemic? At Fresh Clothes, the safety and health of our team and customers is our top priority, which is why we've invested time and resources to keep everyone safe during the COVID-19 pandemic. We are following CDC recommendations in our facilities, and our team members have been instructed to stay home if exhibiting symptoms or if there is a possibility they have had exposure to coronavirus. We offer a touchless experience by asking you to leave and pick up your clothes from your doorstep. Once your clothes arrive at our facility, employees will be wearing gloves as they process each load. We utilize UVC lights to destroy any viruses on clothes and our Fresh Clothes bags and bins. We'll get through this together. We are committed to providing a great service during this challenging time. Get started with Fresh Clothes today by registering at www.freshclothes.app.